In this video, I'm going to show you how to send Bitcoin to your Deribit exchange account. So whether you are depositing Bitcoin to trade or hold, this step-by-step will ensure you a secure and smooth transfer process. So first, make sure you are on the Deribit official website and already log in with your credentials. Now, on your dashboard, click the wallet button on the right side beside the buy crypto and wait for it to load up. So once you click it, you will be redirecting to the wallet sections where you can see your available assets or balance in here, and some actions buttons where you can deposit, withdraw, and transfer. You can also trade and buy Bitcoin or assets in here. So in order to send a Bitcoin to Deribit exchange, just simply click this Bitcoin asset, click this deposit button, and in here, you will see here your BTC deposit address. So as you can see in here, I don't have a address yet because I am not fully yet verified. So make sure you verified your account first in order to generate your address. So assumingly we have a deposit address. So to initiate the transfer, you can paste the copied Deribit Bitcoin wallet address from here into the chosen recipient field of yours, and then you can enter the amount of Bitcoin you wish to send. And then after that, assumingly, you can review the transaction details, including the wallet address and transfer amount. And then confirm the transaction to initiate the transfer. And then the Bitcoin transfer will require confirmations on the blockchain before appearing in your Deribit account. This process may take a few minutes to an hour depending on network congestions. And then after that, to verify the deposit on Deribit, you can go back to your Deribit account and check the wallet or deposit section. So once the transaction is confirmed, the Bitcoin will reflect in your Deribit account balance. And that's it. That's how you send Bitcoin to your Deribit exchange account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.